SEC says Elon Musk still needs a lawyer to approve his tweets. There's no way he's doing that.
Maybe for like the really risque tweets.
There's no way he's doing that.
But for the memes, he can tweet all day.
I just don't think he's doing it anyway. I think he'll say he's doing it. He's probably got a lawyer on standby that can delete maybe a tweet, but can you? The way he tweets seems so fluid that you can't imagine a system where everything has to go to a lawyer first. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be every tweet. Maybe some sort of like Tesla tweet that's like really specific to stocks or something.
Oh, you're right. It says right there, pre-approval from lawyers before tweeting Tesla-related information. Well,
there you go.
That's very to the point. So he's allowed to tweet whatever. Maybe that's why he doesn't tweet about Tesla as much anymore. He's like, I don't want to talk to my lawyer again.
He's just retweeting Tesla tweets.
Yeah, he goes more towards SpaceX and Twitter tweets. He loves Twitter tweets, and he loves memes.
Yeah.
SEC penned its renewed stance this week in a letter to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit in New York, arguing that earlier settlement agreement between the agency and Musk is fully constitutional and valid. In 2018, when he did the tweet, $420 per share, funding secured. That's what caused this whole stir. Both Musk and Tesla had to pay $20 million in fines. It was a big story at the time. And I guess after the whole court case was done, this was the agreement that was reached. Earlier this week, Musk's lawyers argued that a recent jury verdict in a separate trial should be considered in the appeal. In early February, Musk was found to not be liable for securities fraud in a class action suit in which shareholders who lost money after Musk tweeted funding secured sued the executives. So they're saying, hey, in this one case over here, it didn't apply. Like this wasn't upheld, and then so that should in some way influence this other current standing. But I guess obviously the SEC disagrees, and they say no. We still want this to be this way, and we're the SEC, and we're the policemen of stocks, and we will decide. We want Elon to talk to his lawyer more often. Got it? Okay, good.